Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I just want to talk about the basic differentiation rules, and one of the powerful rules that we have guiding this whole topic is the power rule, okay? Now, assuming we have such a function, f of x equals to x to the n, and basically taking the derivative means you're just going to say d dx of a certain function, which is this function you're given right here, is going to be equal to. Now the whole process involves taking this power here and bringing it down here, and I'm just going to explain this, and I'll go ahead and show you a few examples just to clarify more on this. So like I said, so the first thing you have to do is just bring this n down here. Okay, it's going to be a coefficient, and then when you do so, you're going to say, so that ends up being this n right here. Okay, and then you have that x, which is this x right here, and then up top what you're gonna do is just subtract 1 from the former power. All right, so you just end up with that. All right, let's just do a few examples here just for you to understand what is going on in the problem. So I have f of x equals to x to the 3. So like I said, so what you could do is f of x, we always denote the derivative by that dash up there, okay? And well, like I said, the first thing we're gonna do is just drop the 3, make it a big coefficient here. So it's gonna be 3x, and then 3, I'm gonna subtract 3 from 1, okay? Sorry, I'm gonna subtract 1 from 3, so it's just gonna be 2. Simple. Nothing complicated, just very simple and easy. Alright, here's another problem. G of x equals to 1x squared. Alright, so what you could do, this is the same as me saying x to the negative 2. Just bring the x squared up top, and it just becomes into an x to the negative 2. So again, what do we do here? I'm just going to say g dash of x is going to be equal to, so what do? I bring down the negative 2 here. Bring down acts as a coefficient, and then I maintain the x, and then I have to subtract 1 from the negative 2. Okay, so that's going to be a negative 3 because it's negative 2 minus 1. So that's a negative 3. So now, since you can either leave this as this, or since the question was given to us in terms of a fraction, you can as well just produce the answer also in terms of the fraction. In this case, it's going to be a negative 2. And since we have an x to the negative 3, I can put it as a fraction and say over x cubed.